what is the reception from the community been like? Because like you said earlier, builders are allergic to change, but from Matt Reisinger's video from a couple of years ago, and then the video that I made, there seems to be a lot of genuine interest in this product, and it seems like you can't stock it fast enough. Why? So if the builders are adopting it so easily, why do you think they're so accepting of it? Is it something they're familiar with?
No, they are not accepting of it.
Oh, you don't think they are?
No, some are. So once they got it figured out, we have repeat customers all the time. So once they get it figured out, like sometimes they have to make 2 cuts when you're trying to go around a window. And how do you go around a window when you have something that's an L shape? So you have to think. Most carpenters don't want to have to think; they just want to go do. So sometimes you have to make a double cut. We've minimized how often that they have to do that, but we now have builders who use this for the bottom plate and the top plate itself. I mean, they're taking the story. We have 6 builders out there right now that have watched every video that I have done. We have walls 24 feet tall. We have the engineering dynamics are incredible. But let's go to what people say. Nobody hears the kids scream next door. Nobody hears the neighbors mowing their lawn. So it's not just the thermal break. The equal value is it's a sound break because we minimize the vibration coming through the wall itself. So we have a dual purpose, and we have houses on railroad tracks. I'm not going to say they don't hear the train, but they literally it's really fun. Yeah. It's really fun to get the feedback from people after they've lived in the structures. I can utility bills that are so we're a stud. The performance of the overall wall or the roof or the floor, the foundation, however they're using it, is we give the main ingredient. We're the main ingredient. We're a stud, right? We're a force to reckon with. Nobody can beat our strength, and LVL stud can't beat the strength. But then it all comes down to how much money you want to spend to insulate it. Mm-hmm. Do you want to use blown-in cellulose? Depends upon how you believe. Do you want blown-in cellulose? Do you want blown-in fiberglass? We have 1 house done with sheet wool, 2 houses with sheet wool. So, or do you want to do closed cell spray foam? There are a couple that have done open cell spray foam, but I'll say 50% do closed cell spray foam because they want to get the R value as high as they can, because they want to get rid of the traditional furnace, the traditional air conditioner, and we're a small cost in the middle, but we can make the wall, the floor, and the roof so energy efficient that we have downstream advantages in that we cut the HVAC system cost in half, which then gives us upstream advantages, meaning that the owner or the occupant has reduced utility bills for the life of the structure and no maintenance required. We have no maintenance. So, okay, that was an advertisement.